So recently KB50151 KB50 Hi guys, welcome to ID Networking. So Microsoft recently launched KB5015814. This is the KB series. So fix many issues. So how to install? This is launch is a rollback. So have any issues fix and then again launch this update. So how to install in Windows 10? So this one ARM KB64 and click to download and then click to link. So now this is installing, actually 358 MB, and depend on your internet. More than issues that are there when launch. So but Microsoft is launch rollback, means rollbacks fix the issues then again roll back update. Okay, so guys, finally this is in download and click, then open, and this process is manual. Okay, now this is starting the installations. So do not shut down your system and just next and then restart. Okay, bye bye guys, have any issues please comment me, I will support.